Hi everyone, my name is Chris Behrens and welcome to my course, Running Jenkins in Docker. Jenkins is one of the premier build servers and Docker is the new frontier for application development and delivery. If we can use them together effectively, they can make each other even more powerful. Some of the major topics that we will cover include running your Jenkins master in Docker and isolating the state of that master from the container. Create Docker images in Docker containers with Jenkins and building for processor architectures you don't have with multi-arch builds. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of how to make Jenkins and Docker work together and how to deliver content with Jenkins in a Docker paradigm. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Jenkins, build engineering, and Docker. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to make Jenkins and Docker work together effectively in the Running Jenkins in Docker course at Pluralsight.